G'day, I'm Mighty, and welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. Today is day 6 of this epic solo round Shikoku bikepacking pilgrimage adventure for Movember, the charity, the world's leading charity for men's health. Today is day 6. It's a new day. I have a new bike. I feel like a new man having slept in a bed last night. I'm renewed with new purpose and new vitality. I've got to be honest, it is already shaping up to be a great day. So, after all the trouble behind us from yesterday, after all the mishaps and everything that happened, that was yesterday. It's day 6. Let's go. We've got a tour to do. Let's hop to it. Get off the couch. Ditch all the chores. Let's go for an adventure in the mighty outdoors. Made it to temple number 33. Nice little temple. Lovely little old lady doing the calligraphy in the book. Towards the start of the tour, there were some days that were really hard. They really were, and it was tough. And I lost sight of the fact that it is such a great privilege to be able to do something like what I am doing right now in the mighty outdoors. However, with everything that's happened, my perspective has changed, and I feel full of gratitude for not only the opportunity to continue on this journey and to continue to visit these various temples, but also full of gratitude for all the people who I've met along the way, who have helped me, and who I've spoken to and who I've gotten to know. This really is a very special journey. And I'm so happy that you're here with me and I'm able to share it with you. So, let's keep going, right? Temple number 34.
Your destination is on the left.
That's right, Google, I've reached my destination. Temple number 34. Beautiful little temple. Full of wonderful, warm and helpful people. What more could you possibly ask for? Temple 35, that away. So that's which way I'll go. Domo, arigato! いただきます。いいね。I received these oranges as osettai. I'm going to enjoy them. Yum yum. So I've arrived at temple number 35. Kiyotaki-ji. And I've been given a couple of lovely mandarins, oranges, by a fellow pilgrim as osettai. Oranges are quite. This is a real orange producing part of Japan, and it happens to be orange season. He said there'll be many more oranges on the way, but this temple is where I got the first ones. So I'm up at temple number 35, the Kiyotakiji, and I thought that with this beautiful backdrop, there's probably no better place than to do an introduction to the bike, the new bike. Now, I'll put it as a separate video. If you're really interested in it, click up here in the little ribbon thing that comes up above here, and that'll take you straight to it. It really is the mighty outdoors here in Shikoku. Ah, there's the ocean! Check out the bridge! This is magic! Look at this! Okay, so I've arrived at the Shoryuji, temple number 36. The temple itself, however, is all the way up there. Time to start walking.ちょっと聞いていいんですか？この自転車で、なんか88箇所に回りますか？
またもう
大龍寺とか
大龍寺も上がった。
大変じゃないですか？
大変ですよ。だけど2回目の時に2回目の時に道を間違えて、はい、大龍寺せっかく上がってたのに道を間違えて降りてしまったんです。
俺は同じことを3回目なんか小三寺の方にやったわ。
あ、そう、小三寺で1回これ壊れたし。
いやー、実は昨日私の自転車もこれ新車です。昨日買った。何キロぐらい持ってますか？
これは18キロぐらい。
ああ、じゃあね、私はまだ自転車の方に乗ってるけど、あんたはまだ背中にな。いいですか？いっぱい持ってみていいんですか？ああ、同じもんや、わかる。それでさ、きついよ、ずっと背中に。あ、ほんまや、できてるじゃん。Well, there you go. Here I was minding my own business, just putting my washing up on the back of my bike, and along comes a former monk who can play a conch shell. Tell you what, you won't find that on any other channel in YouTube. If you do, send me the link and I'll subscribe. longer because I met, of course, the shell blowing monk, which was so cool. Anyway, I'm on my way to temple number 37, and special treat, my darling wife has been able to book me in to stay at the temple tonight. So I was just planning on staying at the, you know, the roadside station, Michi no Eki, pitching a tent. But at this particular temple, they'll let you stay if you arrive after 4 o'clock. And it's 4 o'clock now, and I'm 16 kilometers away and cycling through these mountains. Check it out. I mean, I know, of course, to the camera that'll look flat. But you know, you see those mountains in the distance. It's probably up there somewhere. Anyway, super pumped to be staying at the temple tonight. Temple number 37. I'll keep going, and well, you'll see it soon enough. Hang tight. Isn't that awesome? Right, basically at the top of the climb, about to start this descent down towards Temple 37, but just before I go, look at that. So I was down there at sea level, and I've just climbed and climbed and climbed and climbed, and we are a long way up, but it is gorgeous. It's really pretty. It's gonna be a hoot coming down this thing, and I gotta say, you know, with the disc brakes, it's just so much more confidence inspiring. It's good to be careful, but got much better braking ability, which is really good. Really pleased. So far the bike's held up really good.
So I made it safely to temple number 37. Now this is where I'm staying tonight, and I've been given a special room. This temple is unlike any other one that I've seen. It's like a cross between a temple and Super Mario World. It's just, you'll see it tomorrow. In tomorrow's video I'll show you what it's all about. But here in this room, they have obviously had an artist here. The artist's pen name is Shita, and this room is the only one like it. I wanted you to see it. This is so special. It's a real treat. It's super duper. This is if you listen, if you ever get a chance to come out to the Ohenro, and if you decide to do it, or even if you're just traveling in this part of Shikoku, come and see this temple. This one's particularly special. I'll take you on a tour of it in tomorrow's video. Okay, so I'll leave it there.